Welcome, I'm Lindsay, Pomeroy, owner of Wine Smarties. Are you feeling lost, overwhelmed, confused? How do you select the right wine? How do you even know what you're doing when you're tasting wine? You hear acid, tannin, all these terms may be completely foreign to you. Well, you're in a great space. I'm here to help you, guide you on your new wine story so you can become the wine person in your social circle. So, join on in. I've got 2 courses. One is part of my signature Language of Wine series where we uncover the main grapes, the main styles. How do you taste? What is tannin? What is acid? What is body? What are all the flavors? What does all this actually mean? The other is for those people who are ready to take it up the next level and join the WSET Level 1 Certification Foundation in Wine course. Either way, you're in good hands, and I'm happy to hear and help you on your journey. Cheers.